Since the moment that we wake up until we go to sleep, we live a lot of things every day. And in this crazy and hectic world that we live, most of the times we actually don't have the time to stop and realize what we are living, what we are feeling, what we are doing, or even what decisions we are taking. So today, I encourage you to find some time during the morning or the afternoon to just take a breath, to slow down, to take a moment to close your eyes, observe how you feel in your inner self, and to breathe. And this, if you're not used to meditate or you're not used to stop during the day, may become very challenging, and it may be difficult for you to lengthen your breath and to slow down. Your heartbeat may continue being fast, and your mind may continue having a lot of thoughts, one after the other, non-stop. And don't worry, that's why we are here today. Let's take a couple of moments to breathe together. We'll do a little exercise that you can do anywhere you want, anytime you want, to just to slow down. And little by little, practice by practice, you will see how you will find your breath easily. You will slow down your nervous system faster, and your mind eventually will become more clear, like this blue sky that we have today in Luxembourg after so many days of fog and clouds. So let's find our inner light. Let's reconnect with this blue sky, with this clear mind that we all have, and let all the clouds away. So let us start by finding a comfortable position. You may want to sit down on a chair, on a sofa. Put your feet on the floor, both of them, and let your hands rest on your laps. Take a moment to close your eyes and breathe. Find your breath here. Maybe your breath now it's short and fast. Don't worry, just reconnect with your breath in this present moment. Doesn't matter what kind of breath we have. Take a moment to observe your body from the inner side, reconnecting physically, mentally and emotionally with your entire body. Now, little by little, start to lengthen and extend your breath. Trying to take little sips of air when you inhale and long exhalations, nice and smooth through the nose. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Find your breath. Start to connect with the journey that the air does when you breathe in through the nose. Feel the air reaching your lungs, lifting your belly, your rib cage, and your chest. When you exhale, feel how the chest, the rib cage, and the belly go back to their place. And the lungs start to get emptier and emptier until the air comes out through your nose, warm and smooth. Continue to bring the focus on your breath, on this beautiful journey that the air does through all your body, oxygenating every cell, reconnecting with every part of our body. Now gently bring your left hand on your heartbeat. Take a moment to listen to your heart beating. Find your pace, find your rhythm. And if your heart is still beating very fast, don't worry. Just bring love. Accept your speed and keep breathing. Nice and long exhalations. Now bring your right hand on your belly. Keep the left one in your heart area. And when you inhale, feel how your belly lifts up, lifting your right hand. And then when your chest lifts up, feel your left hand also rising up. When you exhale, feel the left hand going down with its chest, as well as the belly and the right hand. And just follow your breath and follow the movement of every inhalation and every exhalation. While we follow the movement, we don't have a space to think. Our mind becomes more clear, so we can see the things from a different perspective. Bringing acceptance and love to everything that is happening, to everything that we are feeling. And to everything that we lived already today, and that we are about to live very soon. Now release your hands back on your lap. Take a moment here to let the palms facing up. Feel the temperature of the room. Feel the energy in your hands flowing through all your body. Take a moment to feel a string that pulls from the center of your head all the way up to the sky, aligning your spine with your head and stretching your entire back. Bring your chin slightly down and relax the muscles of the face. Take a quick scan in your body, from your head to your toes. Moving your body in any way that you need, or bringing energy in any part that your body may need today. Bring some self-love and care. Drop your shoulders down. Open your chest slightly up. And keep breathing here. Bring your hands now to the center of your heart. Bring the palms together, thumbs touching your chest. Take a moment to thank yourself for having spent some time to reconnect with your inner self, to slow your breath and calm your mind. Bring a smile in your face. You probably have smiled at a lot of people today, and you may haven't smiled at yourself yet. So take a moment to visualize yourself in front of a mirror. Just give yourself your best smile, the most honest and caring now. Now bring your palms onto your eyes, covering your face completely. Feel the heat of your palms in your face. Take a moment to breathe here. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Let it all the way out through the mouth. One more deep breath in through the nose. Release any stress left through the mouth. One more deep breath in. Let it all out. Great. Open your fingers nicely and slowly. And start to wiggle your eyes, opening them little by little. Thank you so much for this short meditation practice. I hope it helped you to reconnect with yourself and to have a more mindful day. Namaste.